one half of J. Davey, which is a duo, myself and Miss Jack Davey, and our sound is definitely a melange. Maschine, for me, has made it really comprehensive to locate just a sound. Initially, when you're programming groups or sounds and you're looking for a particular type of sound, just the way the browser library is mapped, where you could just find particular sounds based off of description. You know, for me, I always, as much as I enjoy making beats, I enjoy just the production and you know, the songwriting aspects. So when I'm starting to use Maschine, it just makes it a lot easier to get that part out of the way, where it's not about the programming as much. It's more so about get the song out, get the idea out. We've used a lot of this, used a lot of Maschine specifically. We were working with Greg Wells for a while, so we would go to the studio and I would just bring this and a laptop, and he might start off a part of a beat or hear some guitar chords, or you know, I might start playing something or whatever. We'll go back and forth, and while he's on his computer doing his thing on Pro Tools, I can just put my headphones on. What's your BPM? Okay, cool. And I'll program something, and he might stop and hear it in the headphones, like, okay, that sounds great. And then I'll export all the sounds, and I'll go on my bonjour list on you know, iChat, and just send it to his computer, and then he'll import the sounds that way, and at least half the record was done like that. I mean, there's definitely nothing lacking at all. So, you know, I think he was just impressed by the fact that you had such capabilities, you know, with a software program and this simple MIDI controller.